Understanding Install Drivers, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common tech-related phrase, install drivers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what it means and how to use it in conversation. Install drivers refers to the process of adding specific software to a computer system. These drivers are essential because they allow the operating system, like Windows or Mac OS, to communicate effectively with hardware devices, such as printers, graphic cards, or keyboards. Imagine drivers as interpreters helping two people speak different languages to understand each other. Drivers are crucial for the functionality and efficiency of hardware devices. Without the right driver, a device might not work correctly or at all. For example, a printer needs the correct driver to understand the print commands from your computer. Example 1. I need to install drivers for my new webcam to work properly. Example 2. Can you help me install drivers for this game controller? Notice how the phrase is used to describe a necessary action to make a device operational. Don't confuse install drivers with update drivers. Installing is adding new drivers, while updating means refreshing existing ones. Remember, drivers is always plural in this context, even if you're installing a driver for just one device. That's all for today's lesson on install drivers. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand this tech phrase better. Stay tuned for more English learning content, and happy learning!